This sleeve is what I'm going to make now. I'm going to make the second sleeve. I have 15 inches by 28 inches. The same measurement with the lining and the satin. And I have some pieces which I will use in turning the round sleeve in on top here. I'm using these two pieces. The measurement I have with this one is 2 inches by 13 inches, and this one is for the round sleeve, 13 inches, and this one is almost 2 inches by 12 inches. This one is for the top and this one is for the round sleeve. So what I will do now is I will notch the center. I notch here, and I will notch this place. So for the round sleeve, I notch here and here. I will place this way and hold with pin, and I will start my plaint. I will plaint to the same direction. I will place this way. This is the starting, and I will plaint like this. I will plaint this way until here. I will do kissy plaint on top here. As you can see, I plaint on the same direction. I pick this way and tack with thread and needle. Like this. I pick this one and this one together this way, then this one in here together, tack with needle. I will pick here and here this way, tack with needle. What I'm going to do now on the top, this is the round sleeve. This is the round sleeve. I will make kiss plaint on the top. I will make on the top here, kiss plaint. Let me go and finish sewing, then I will sew on the sleeve and show you the final look of this dress. I will leave the dress in the description box. I'm done with it. This is the back, the front. So I'm going to sew the sleeve. on the armhole. I'll sew from here to this place. I will leave this one in the description box. I'm done sewing the 2 sleeves on the dress. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.